Hey everyone, this is Matt, and in today's video, I'm bringing you another unboxing. So I have something really special. I have been ordering a few things in the mail, so I could have done other unboxings, but this one I thought, I like it deserves a special treat. So just got this in the mail. Note: it is a sealed box. Um, you don't see sealed box, still completely sealed, unopened, right? All right. So let's open this bad boy and see what we get. Ooh, that's fancy. It's like in a little sock. Huh. What is this bag? I've never seen packaging like this. But I mean, if you knew what was inside here. Oh, baby. Look at this. This is classy right here. This is very classy, fancy pack. This is like a shoelace tying a sock. Oh, that's very nice. Very nice. All right, let's see. Damn, this person went above and beyond. I hope this isn't their, special sock. Oh, it's ripped. It's a ripped sock. That's why. See? There's a hole at the bottom. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at this beauty. Even more shoelacing. Yo, this is like the nicest packaging I've ever seen in my life. Like, this is how a card of this caliber and this magnitude should be packaged. It should be packaged. Starlight Dragoon, baby. There we go. I already have one, but this is Starlight Dragoon number 2, right? Because in Dark Magician decks, you always run 2 Dragoons. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh, man, the condition on this is perfect. All right, let me shine a light here to see. Oh, yes. Excellent. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that baby. Okay. I'm so happy. I finally got my second Starlight Dragoon. I was waiting for the price to drop. The price spiked for a bit, so I was just waiting on it to drop. But yeah, here we have it. Oh my goodness. The printing is a little off, like, but everything else about it is just amazing. So yeah, I'm very happy. Alright, but then like, wait, I thought you stopped playing Dark Magician. I stopped playing Dark Magician. I haven't made a Dark Magician video in a while. The reason for that is because after we lost Verde Anaconda, RIP, the deck is significantly weaker. Like, not only are we getting less draws, fewer draws from Soul Servants, but we're not getting our boss monster out as easily. Like, we're not. It's sad, right? We're not de-breaking our deck as easily. Um, but yeah, but I do think that Dark Magician will rise again, and the deck will become good eventually. Once we get new supports, basically we have like this plethora of really good fusion and ritual monsters. So if you watch Law's channel, he mentioned this the other day on one of his videos. But yeah, Dragoon by itself is like one of the best, is like the best fusion monster in the game. It's so freaking powerful, right? But yeah, we have this plethora of all these amazing fusion and ritual monsters, and no good way to bring them out, right? Like the best card we have now is Secrets of Dark Magic, which is not good because it requires you to have all the other cards already in hand, which is not ideal. Yeah, if there was a way to bring out rituals and fusions using monsters from the deck, like or the graveyard or the banish pile, like it would be amazing. But yeah, so yeah, got my second Starlight Dragoon. Absolutely beautiful. Man, this makes me so happy, right? To the fact that I have the second one now. So yeah, I'll probably be getting another Dragoon, not Starlight, but like for example what's it called? In the tins, that the mega tins are coming out later this year in September. They're reprinting Dragoon, hopefully as a prismatic secret rare. If they don't do prismatic secret rare, that'd be a huge mistake. But if Dragoon does come out in prismatic secret rare, I'll absolutely be getting it, and it's going to look super sick and sexy, right? Obviously not as nice as this, but yeah, look at that. So yeah, so my channel's been a lot slower ever since the loss of Dark Magician, but or rather Anaconda. I mean, the card was toxic for the game. It needed to go, right? I just wish that we could get like a Link 2 monster for Dark Magician, or Link 1, or both, right? Or like a good fusion spell that we can search with Rod or whatever. But alas, so yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll definitely be putting out more content in the near future. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, because if you're a Dark Magician fanboy like me, this definitely is very satisfying. All right, later. Peace.